Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul from tiny little haul from Tuesday morning, and the rest from scrapbook.com. I really didn't get anything Tuesday morning, just got something on clearance, picked something up for somebody, and that was this embossing photo with it has the diamonds on it, and it was like 40% off of $2, so it was like $1. And that was $1. Or 80 cents, what it was, I can't remember what it was. Same thing for these. These were 60% off. And yeah, these were all 60% off. So this one was like a, I don't know what I paid. Was it 6% off for this one? I think this was 80 cents. And I think this was $1. Anyway. And so, this your meal stickers. No, this is 20% off, I'm sorry. Yeah, that's the 2 sets of stickers in there. Sorry about the lighting, it's nighttime. I did get these raw chains. I only got the second half of the alphabet, but you know, I just thought you could always keep these and use those on something. And I got the numbers, and they were, again, 60% off of those. Nice size. So that's it for Tuesday morning. The rest of my order is from scrapbook.com, and I was waiting to share this because it has been like I had placed 2 orders. The first order I placed, after I placed it, had one item, 2 items that I wanted. They were on back order, and right after I placed the order, the very next day, they texted me and said, "Hey, those items are in. You want to order them?" And of course, I ordered them the second day. The second order came in before the first order came in, and it was weird because the first order got, I don't know, held up in Oklahoma for several days, and then finally it came. And so I ended up with 2. Forgot to get my second magazine, but I ended up with 2 of the scrapers, because you know when you place the order, well, they ran out of them, but I know because some of my friends went back and ordered, they didn't have any more, but I ended up getting 2 scrapers, so I will keep one and get the other one. And of course, you know, they always give you something free, so these were free items, can't beat that. And then this is also a free item, this nice magazine, and this is 14 years of creative inspiration. It says scrapbooking cards today, 102 ideas for winter. So yeah, so this is winter 2020, so new, nice, good condition, and has lots of layouts in here, you know, for inspiration, scrapbook pages, and cards that you can use in your winter designs, even some mini album pages. So excited to have that, because this can always give you some great inspiration. So that was my freebies. So that's why I do love scrapbook.com. And like I said, normally they're really, really fast. I had showed you my previous order that I had from LDRS that Tanya tempted me in, and when I was up there, I ordered some of their word sentiments, and I thought maybe go back to get some more. But I forgot I had this in my cart. This has been sitting there for a while, and I ended up clicking it on one of my orders and getting it. This one now, you know, I'm doing Halloween, but I can still use her without the glasses, so just this little body. So I got her, and she was on sale. And then I got this one, the Cat Girl, same thing. I just would do them without, you know, making it Halloween. But anyway, so I got both of those. So go to my Judy Nutty collection. I got this Open Heart die set by LDRS, and this was on clearance, so I got a really good price on this one. I'm looking forward to making a little shaker cards out of that. So this is what's in there. I saw some cute examples. This is a little Finnabar. This is just a little clear stamp called Messy, and I like it because it's just got some script in the background. You know, you just want to, you know, do something mixed media. And there's some other ones. I hope I can find the other ones, the Bubbles, the Pines, and the Crockle. I didn't see those, but I got this one. It was real cheap. I think $1 maybe. I can't remember. It was on clearance. 80 cents. I can't remember. But anyway, it's just text scribbled. And you just want to add some layer and dimension. This was on clearance as well. This is just a waffle flower. I don't know what's the name. Oh, Go Girl. So this one is, how many stamps in here? What does it say? I ain't count all of them, but you build a body basically. That's a neck, the bottom of the face. There's some lips, there's some glasses, hair and scoop line and different stuff like that. So you can make a ponytail and all that stuff. But it says, you're amazing. You got this. Go, girl. Go. Your future's so bright. You are so beautiful inside and out. You are enough. So it's called Go Girl. So anyway, I got that, and that was on clearance. And this is what I went from the first set to get. And again, I went over from LDRS. They didn't have this stamp set or the die up there. I don't think the die was up there either. So I got it, and this is the wave banner. They had a Christmas one and a fall one. I got the fall one. It says pumpkin kisses and harvest wishes. Hello autumn. Let's sit and watch the leaves turn. Give thanks. If friends with pumpkins, I pick you. It's pumpkin time. Leaves are falling. Autumn is calling. The magical fall. Have a lovely fall filled with blessings. Favorite season. May the season fill your heart and home. Love fall most of all. So that goes with that one. So I was excited to get that banner and those sentiments, which I'll just show you next order when I get my other order. These two go with the straight banner that I showed you in the haul. Well, let me grab that right quick. From LDRS. So this was this in my haul from LDRS. I showed you these two that I got to go with it, but these two were not on the LDRS, so they were sold out, one of them. So I ended up getting them from scrapper.com. One is the encouragement stack, which says, thank you for everything you do. You are a true hero. You're one of a kind. We're in this together. Brighter days are coming. I appreciate your help. Keep up the good work. You are an amazing person. Always look for the sunny side. Stay strong. You make your world a better place. And this was $11.39. So really good price. And it's 12 of each one of them. This is the anytime stack. Any day spent with you is my favorite. Thinking of you. Happy birthday. You're one of a kind. Celebrating today with you. Thank you for being you. Love you with all my heart. One day I hope to be like you. I am never not thinking of you. Congratulations. You're my sun, my sunny moon, and my stars. And of course I showed you these that I got the love stack and essential stack the last time. So this will cut those out. So excited to make, have options here. So I have 4 to go with this one. And I have 1 to go with this one, and I know they have 2 more coming out pretty soon, so excited to have that. So anyway, that concludes my haul. And so I want to say thank you for liking, watching, and subscribing, and rocking with me. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless.